Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hello,
I'm Lauri.
I'm Maria.
Do you know that we have actually huge Facebook pages, and that's thanks to Maria and his team at the States. And now Maria is visiting us here all the way from Florida. So we are crushing some shit.
Yes, I'm excited. Let's do this.
And this is not Maria's first time. You were here like it's
2
already
years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah.
That's a long time.
Yes.
But now we have a new press and a bunker, and I think we want to scare Maria a little bit.
Yes, let's see if they're successful in
Yeah,
that.
so we have the hammer press Anvil, and then just to be sure that that at least somebody is scared, because I'm already scared, we are going to do the sledge hammer that we didn't dare to do on the earthquake video.
Oh my
Because
goodness.
of the neighbor's cat.
Because of the neighbor's cat. But the cat is going to have bad day because this is going to happen today. But we are going to warm up with this wonderful setup here. Okay, cheap anvil versus expensive hammer. What is, Maria, your opinion? Who is going to win?
I got my money on the hammer, but let's see.
Maria has no idea what's going to happen. Okay, I put the press to slow speed to make it even more terrifying. And here we go. Okay, and then the high-speed shot. This is from our new 4K Chronos camera, and I think it looks really great. We can nicely see how it cracks. The crack goes quite slowly, and when it gets like all the way through, then it gets quite fast. And here is the wider shot. You can see how the squirrel gets hit. I think this wouldn't be really like bad hit. They are moving quite slowly. I was too scared to look the tones, but that was weak.
That's weak.
That weak as anvil. That was quite large. I have thought that we couldn't crush like big anvil, but I think we can, because that was easy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That press is something else for sure.
Yeah, let's go have a look.
Wow, there we go.
There's your problem. Where is the hammer?
This
Oh,
is a
it's there.
mystery.
It's there.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This is just like new. I think let's keep going. Maria was a bit confused about what is this and why it is.
And we still don't know.
We're going to find out. I think Maria can push from the pedal for this
Okay,
one.
let's go. My first time.
Okay, just hold the right pedal
Okay, for as
down
long as I can.
for as long as you dare. I can now I watch it from here.
Okay, all right. Did we close the door?
Yep.
Okay.
Door is closed.
Ready? Everybody good? Okay, here we go.
Yeah, but we messed up the hammer. It just didn't explode.
Oh, well, it looks interesting.
Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh.
It didn't explode.
That's tough.
I think we might have
Oh, holy shit, how
Oh, it's
hot.
hot.
I think we might have invented a new type of hammer.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the whole the frame started to
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it smells like smoke in here.
Yeah, it's smoking hot. It's like,
What?
check. This way the squirrel is here. It melts the squirrel.
Oh my.
It's so hot. Squirrels
Melting squirrel hot.
I'm not sure what is the melting point of typical ballistic squirrel, but this is hotter than that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
I think we are ready for the sledgehammer.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
Oh my
before the
God.
sledgehammer, Maria can tell if you're making YouTube videos and don't have Facebook page yet, you are leaving money on the table.
Yes, completely leaving money on the table. If you're interested in maximizing your revenue on Facebook, you can go to vuvmedia.com and contact us through there.
Yeah, it's really simple. They just re-edit your YouTube videos to fit them on the Facebook. And you don't have to do anything except look at your bank account and it goes up every month.
That's awesome. I love it.
I like the service where you don't have to do anything and the number goes up.
Exactly.
That's the
there
best
you go.
kind of service.
Yes, totally.
Check out this shit. What should be his or her name?
I don't know.
Because we have the Gale Pop no pants is the block.
Okay.
This is Gale Pop no hat.
Okay. There
Hey,
we go.
that's good.
There we go. That's a good one.
And safety first.
Safety first.
Sunglasses. It looks like you.
Yeah, it looks,
yes.
yeah. I'm going to put him here. And then let's twist this like this. So he's going to take it to the face. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Wait for a while. I was surprised that it didn't break with the big press because it has the hole on the middle and the previous hammer didn't have hole. It was solid steel and it felt much better and it didn't go. But the sledgehammer, no matter how much I grinded it away, it just kept stopping the press, which is amazing. I think that the glass fiber rod on the middle isn't as big as I thought. It's going to also carry some of the load. And I started to just run out of time. I didn't have enough time to grind it. So one more try and it just doesn't go. No, the grinding doesn't help. It just closes the gap that I made with the grinder. Yeah, unfortunately we are running out of time. I have other work in 1 hour and we have to eat, so we have to leave the sledgehammer.
Yeah,
That's
we
okay.
have to live with the failure. Oh, no.
Yeah. I mean, sometimes you have to fail in order to succeed.
Yeah, yeah. But you are going to see the sledgehammer next week, and Maria has to see it on the editing table.
Yes, I will. I will for sure. Yes.
Yeah. No, Maria has. How many editors you have?
We have a team of close to 17 right now. Yeah.
Okay, so you are not editing everything.
No, not editing everything, but I will see it. I will see it for sure, and I'm excited to see it.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. So that is all for today,
Thank you for watching.
and have a nice day.